Introducing the Bottle Fill Shader Graph, a highly controllable bottle fill shader. It offers comprehensive support for layered colors and precise height masks. Its core effect is a single material that can effectively drive various bottle types, delivering smooth fills and distinct, clear layering. Let's quickly dive in and explore its capabilities. First, let's open the demo scene and then enter play mode. At this point, we'll be able to observe the real-time animation parameters as they play out. After that, we can pause this script and then individually control this specific shader, and you'll clearly see its values undergoing changes. So this fill amount setting, it's what controls the overall height of your fill. Then the band scale option, that's used to adjust the spacing between each of your layers. And for the colors, you'll find that the palette section is where you manage all of them. Ultimately, these colors are directly linked to and control the total number of layers you have. Now, if you ever notice that your material panel isn't responding as it should, what you can do is simply toggle the property controls, either turning them on or off. Or you can simply select Clear Properties to restore it. The key feature, Alpha Clip, ensures that the edges remain perfectly clean. Spread height automatically matches, making it truly plug and play. In just a few simple steps, you can achieve a clean, layered fill effect.